Hi everyone, welcome back. And today I wanted to do something like pastel-y type thing, you know. I saw this picture by my girl Glam by Kayla and I was like, that's pretty, I want to do it. So I'm gonna do it right now because I like it. Okay, sure. I'm gonna prime my eyes, zoom you guys in, and we're gonna start. Now that we're all primed and ready to go, I'm gonna grab the color Area 51, this one right here, and I'm gonna apply that on the crease. By the way, I forgot to tell you, but I used the Morphe M506 brush to apply this color. Now that we have this, I'm gonna apply the color Single, this one right here, from the James Charles palette on top of this, and we're gonna blend it. Now that we have this, I'm gonna cut the crease so we can apply the other colors. Yay! 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 Walk away! Yay, yay, yay. I'm gonna cut the crease using the ColourPop concealer. Okay, thanks. Okay, so now that the crease is cut, I'm gonna grab the color Single, the purple that we use on top, and I'm gonna pack it right on the outside. I don't know why I'm forgetting to say the brush, but I'm using a M124. Now with the same brush, I'm gonna grab the color I'm Cold, this one right here, from the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette, and I'm gonna put this one on the center. And I am gonna blend the two together real well so it does not look disgusting. Now with the same brush on the part that we haven't applied any product, I'm gonna use the color Abduction from the Alien palette, and I'm gonna put it there and blend all the colors together. I'm gonna grab a little bit of a yellow and mix it with a green so it pops a little bit more because I feel like it's kind of bland. What I'm gonna do now is clean up the edges with the purple, so like outline again where we cut the crease and make this purple and this other purple like blend better. So for that, I'm gonna use a Sigma E05 brush. Okay, so I think this is looking pretty good. So I'm gonna do my face and my brows off camera and we'll be right back to finish up the eyes. Okay, so I did my contour, my bronze, my brows, my face, and I don't know what's up with this brow, but it looks thick as fuck. So I'm sorry if my brows look so different. I don't know what happened there, but we're just gonna, okay, just ignore that bitch. Now we're gonna continue with the eyes on the bottom. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply Area 51 really close to the lash line and then blend it out with Single, the other purple that we used. For my inner corner highlight, I'm gonna use the color Purple Horseshoe. This one right here. From the Moonchild palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna pop this on top of the brow as well. And on the tip of the nose. And on top of the lips. Now I'm going to apply my lashes, and I'm going to use the Lily Lashes Miami. Now for blush, I'm going to apply the color Pinched by NYX Cosmetics with a Morphe E4. And for highlight, I'm going to use Purple Horseshoe and Pink Heart, the shades that we use on our eyes. For lips, I'm gonna line them with a Laura Mercier lip liner in the color Naked, and then I'm gonna pop on the Dose of Colors X Katy X Desi gloss the most. So yes. Oh my god, it is done. Look at that. So cute. I really hope you guys liked this video. I really like how it turned out. It's really like soft in a way, if that makes any sense. I don't know, but I really liked it. So I hope you did too. If you like my face, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, bitch, if you want to keep watching my beautiful face. And I'll see you in another video. Bye, bitch.